Namaste. Vishwanath. I, J.B.N. Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Pune University. Today, I will discuss about the topic. Uh, Today, I will discuss about the topic to examine the different types of taste. To examine the different types of taste, topics belongs to the human anatomy and physiology, practical for the B Pharm second semester. So now we come to the taste examination. So chemical senses. Chemical senses, taste and smell. Both determine the flavor of food. Taste and smell are closely linked even though they involve different receptors and receptive process. This suggests an overlap in central processing. Chemical senses, taste and smell receptors are chemoreceptors in association with food intake, influence flow of digestive juice and affect appetite. So stimulation of receptors induce pleasurable or objectionable sensations and signals presence of something to seek or to avoid. Now we come to the taste. Gustation. Chemoreceptors housed in taste buds, present in oral cavity and throat. Taste bud consists of taste pore, opening through which fluids in mouth come in the contact with surface of receptor cells. Taste receptor cell modify epithelial cells with surface folds called microvilli. Plasma membrane of microvilli contain receptor site that bind selectively with chemical molecule. Location and structure of taste. The location and structure of taste is um, uh, made up of different types of. First one is papillae. Papillae is very important, and taste bud is responsible for the taste sensation. Sensory nerve fiber is also responsible for the senses of different taste. Sensation of taste located in the taste buds in tongue, epiglottis, soft palate, and pharynx. Anatomy of taste buds. 1,000 taste buds found on tongue, soft palate, and pharynx. Taste buds consist of 50 receptor cell type 3 surrounded by supporting cell. Basal cell develop into supporting cells, then receptor cells. Gustatory hairs project through the taste pore, lifespan of 10 days. Anatomy of taste buds is very important for the responsible of the taste. Now we come to the taste. Binding of the testant taste provoking chemical with receptor cell alters cell ionic channels to produce a depolarizing receptor potential. Receptor potential initiate action potential with terminal endings of afferent nerve fibers with which receptor cell synapses. Terminal afferent ending of several cranial nerves synapse with the taste buds in various regions of mouth. Signals conveyed via synaptic stops in brain, stem, and thalamus to cortical gustatory area. Taste pathway. Taste information is sent to the CNS by the cranial nerves 7, 9, and 10. The taste nucleus move to the thalamus and primary gustatory cortex, insular cortex. Physiology of taste. Dissolution in saliva, attachment to receptor, generated potential, action potential. Taste perception. Influenced by information derived from other receptors, especially odor, temperature and texture of food, influences taste, and physiological experiences associated with past experiences with food influence taste. How cortex accomplishes perceptual processing of taste sensation is currently unknown. Now we come to the primarily modalities of taste, responses of taste buds. Each taste burst responds strongly to one type of taste, but they also respond to other taste as well as. Now we come to the taste, five primary taste. First one is salty. Salty is stimulated by chemical salt, especially NaCl. Sour, caused by acid which contain of free hydrogen ion H+. And now we come to the sweet, evoked by configuration of glucose. And bitter, brought about by more chemically diverse group of taste substance. Example, alkaloids, toxic plant derivatives, and poisonous substance. Umami, meaty or savory taste, pleasant taste. So physiology of taste, sour, acidity by H plus and HCl ion concentration. Salts is responsible for sodium chloride, and sweet, sucrose, glucose, and saccharin. Bitter, hydrochloride, quinine, sulfate, and alkalides. So now we come to the mechanism of stimulation of taste sensation. By sodium and hydrogen ion respectively, the transduction process for sweetness and bitterness involve second messenger. So mechanism of stimulation of taste sensation is sour is secreted by the acid H plus and block K plus ion channel. Salt taste is sodium ion and depolarization. So mechanism of stimulation of taste sensation is sweet, G protein activation of adenyl cyclase, CAMP and K condenses. Bitter, G protein activation of phospholipase C, IC, isotol and CA2 release. So this is the complete session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, and hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you and thank